Hello, and thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy, and it is after Christmas. I pray that you had a wonderful, wonderful, blessed Christmas holiday season, that you got a chance to spend time with family and friends, and that you had a peaceful time. I know I did. We got together. We don't do anything really formal, but we were together as a family. We played games. We just shared food, and we had Chinese food for Christmas Eve, which was a little bit different for us, but I loved it. So no heavy cooking and all that good stuff. But anyway, in today's video, what I thought I'd do is open my Christmas presents with you guys, just to share what I got, because of course some of it is going to be around home decor. So I thought you could appreciate it. So if you'd like to see what I got for Christmas, keep watching. All right, so the first thing that I got is from Our House, and Our House is a store that I love to go in and look around all the time. So anytime I can get a little package from Our House, I'm excited. So what I got is a candle. Now, you know I talk a lot about making my home smell good. I love candles. I love candle warmers. I love scent diffusers. I love all of those things. So I was so excited to get this. This one is Eventide is what it's called. It smells really, really good. And when I reset my home for winter, I will definitely be using this as a statement candle, which I love. So they have the lid on here wrapped separately. See, it's in this brass, very heavy. This is what it looks like here. You can smell the candle as soon as you open the box. You can smell it. It smells so good. This is what it looks like. Perfect for winter decorating. It is a 3-wick candle. I have to look up the notes on here. It smells very wintry, not at all Christmassy, but very wintry, which is be perfect for when I reset my home. But I love the packaging on here. I definitely will be keeping this once I burn this out. It's very rustic. It's very my style. So that is what I got, and I cannot wait to start burning this. The next gift that I got is also one that I love. I love everything that I got. I'm very, very thankful. But it's this. And this is a gift from my grandson. They do a shopping thing at their school. Their parents give them money, and they can go in there and shop for Christmas, and they buy for whoever their parents put on their list. So this is what he bought me, which is a stress ball. He knows his grandma very well. I do need this, so I do appreciate this, and I will treasure this little token here. All right, so this next item is also very exciting, and this is a part of a collaboration that I've done, so I'm going to share that right now. Okay, so I partnered with Egohome, and they sent me out this 14-inch hybrid premium mattress, and I am really excited to get this thing unboxed, because one thing that's very, very different about this mattress, in addition to the fact that it comes in a box, which many of them do these days, but this mattress is actually black. So you're going to see that in a moment. So we go through the process of getting it out of the box, and cutting the plastic and getting it set into place, and then it starts to open up or whatever. It takes 12 to 24 hours for it to be fully inflated and ready for use. But the process pretty much starts immediately. Now, these mattresses they have zone support for full body alignment. They're graphene and copper infused layers for antibacterial protection and thermal regulation, pressure relief for your shoulders, your hips, your lower back, something I definitely need. Now, I'm putting this in a guest bedroom so that my guests that visit my home can have a nice, comfortable sleep. This particular bed has motion isolation. I mean, it's a beautiful bed. I'm really excited about it. So, and it says here that you wake up refreshed. Now, who wouldn't want to wake up refreshed? So, I'm really excited to get this working here. Another thing about this mattress that I'm excited about is that it is a 14-inch mattress, so that it's going to be very, very thick. Now, I have a box spring on this bed, so this bed is going to be really, really high once all is said and done. But look how thin it looks right now in the packaging. But once we take it out, it's going to change. Now, I must say that the packaging on here really kept this thing intact because as soon as I opened it, I started to feel that it is already expanding. Now you can see the plastic is not even already off, and this mattress is already showing how comfortable it's going to be. It kind of started to fill in very, very quickly. So you can see here, this is just moments from setting it up. Now it does take 12 hours minimally for it to get the full, deflation process gone or inflation process, whatever way it goes. But it's already really, really thick. And it took all that I had not to flop down in this bed and take me a quick little rest. But I did go ahead and wait the 12 hours. And when I tell you when it was ready, I was ready. Now, I don't normally sleep up here. Like I said, this is a guest bedroom, but I wanted to try out this bed and be the first one to sleep in it and really see how it felt. And I can tell you now, it felt amazing. So I laid in it at first, just to get a feel for the bed. It kind of felt like it just kind of wrapped you in the bed, like the memory foam or whatever, just kind of wrapped around your body. But then I wasn't really ready to go to sleep. So I just kind of laid here and did what I would normally be doing, and that's scrolling on my phone. But it was just perfect. It felt really, really good, relaxing, and I can tell already that I'm going to get a good night's sleep. One thing I like about these mattresses is that they have a cooling effect or anti-heat effect with the cover of it. So I do like that because I am a very warm sleeper. And I feel like this bed is perfect whether you sleep on your back or on your side or whatever. It was just very, very comfortable. And like I said, it just kind of envelops your body once you lay in it. Very, very comfortable. So a special thanks to Egohome for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and all the deets will be in the description box below. All right, so this next item is something that I purchased for myself, and it's something that I purchase for myself every year. I always start off the year with the best intentions. So this is a planner. I was looking for a planner journal combined, which I found out I guess is not a thing. I could not find it, but I did find this, and it's a 12-month planner. It goes from January through December, which, sometimes planners start in the middle of the year or whatever. So I can start the new year off fresh. But it says, trust in the Lord with all your heart, Proverbs 3 and 5, and it's for 2026. I thought it was really nice. And it has some stickers right here in the front. I don't want to blind you, but they're pretty, pretty bright here. But they have little stickers and they say things like love, amazing, coffee, grateful, blessed, faith, home, all of those types of things. And it's several pages of stickers. So I like that. So I'll be able to kind of get into that. Hopefully, we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to try to be more organized in 2026. So I'm going to be able to write down, things that I need to do, my to-do list or whatever. I'm having a very difficult time staying focused and everything. So I'm hoping that this is really going to help me get, organized for 2026. Okay. So that I got. And then this next item is something else that I love. I was so excited about this, but this is a coffee table book and it is Michelle Obama's Look book. I have been wanting this. It had been on my watch list or wish list, and I did get this for Christmas. I'm trying not to get fingerprints on it, but this is a beautiful, beautiful book. I haven't had a chance to really sit down with it. I've kind of gone through it really quickly, but I plan to get into the book and just kind of look at all of the outfits and things that the beautiful Michelle Obama wore and still continues to wear as she served as our first lady. I love fashion. I kind of gotten away from it over time, but that is truly one of my first loves before home decor. I was really into fashion and stuff like that. And now not so much, but I still appreciate it and I still love it. So I'm excited to get into this. Look at those beautiful pictures. It's a beautiful, beautiful book here. So I'm excited about this. So I'll be styling with this, but I also will be reading this. All right, and my next item here is Something else that I'm really excited about, and it is my fragrance. Now, normally I will get a new fragrance every year or every 18 months or so. This year, the one that I selected is Roja. It is a perfume. It's Roja. This is number 51, if I'm not mistaken. But I love this. It smells really, really good. And let me show you what the bottle looks like. So pretty. You know, I love some packaging. Everything looks like it's blinding here, but it's got like the little bling on the top of it here. It's beautiful, just beautiful packaging, and it smells so good. And it's got, what I'm noticing is that my scents, where's the thing, because I don't want to waste it here. The scents that I like are pretty consistent with the home, because one of the main notes in here is like amber, and that's what I love for my home too. So it's really interesting how I gravitate to that scent. But this one is really, really nice, has some beautiful notes in it. I gotta take this little piece of plastic off here, but it's so pretty. But I love this. I had never tried this brand. I always go in and just kind of test all kinds of fragrances, both on my skin and on the little paper thing or whatever. Then I walk around the mall or whatever and come back with the one that kind of wears, you know, because colognes, perfumes, they have to wear down or whatever, and they're different on everybody's skin or whatever. But this one wore down beautifully, and I love it. It smells really good. It's got long lasting power on me, but it dries down to something very soft, so it's not overpowering. So that's what I like about that. So that's my scent for 2026. All right, now, so getting back into home decor, I got this piece here, which is beautiful. This is like a marble base, and then this black abstract piece of decor. And this is now going to be a part of a set. So last year at some point, I found this one, which is very, very similar, but not the same, on the white marble and the black decor piece. Now, this one came from Ross. This one came from Home Goods, but I plan to use these on the shelves in my bedroom. So this will be on the top shelf on one side, and this will be on the other side. And I just love abstract art pieces or whatever. So these are like table decor, but I love this. So I'm excited about that too. And that will come into play during my bedroom reset for winter 2026. And then lastly, this is a gift certificate for a spa day, which will be much needed. I cannot wait to schedule this. So special thanks to my son and his wife. So I'll be going in for a spa day, and I'm excited about that. All right, so that is the end of this little haul, if you will. A very special thanks to Egohome again for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Definitely check out my description box below for information and details on that mattress. You will thank me later. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not currently subscribed, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave today. Also, hit that post notification bell. That way, you'll get a notification each time I upload a video. And to all my returning family members, thank you so, so much for your support. I appreciate you all. And I hope to see you all over here on the next one. Bye bye.